Hi there! Welcome to this tutorial on iteration-based import processing with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Importing large datasets into WordPress can be challenging. Bulk imports often lead to server timeouts, memory overload, or failed imports, especially on shared hosting. Instead of processing everything at once, iteration-based import divides the data into smaller batches, reducing strain on your server and ensuring a smoother, more reliable import process. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this feature step by step to efficiently import large CSV files without performance issues. For this demo, I have a CSV file containing nearly 300 records of blog posts, including details like post titles, content, categories, and featured images. We'll use this file to demonstrate how to import large datasets smoothly. Now, let's proceed with the import process step by step. Navigate to WP Ultimate CSV Importer Import/Update in your WordPress dashboard. Click the Upload button and select your CSV file. Once uploaded, choose the import type. Select New Items if you're adding fresh data. Next, choose the target module from the drop-down list. Since we are importing blog posts, I am selecting Posts as the module. If you are importing other types of content, you can select Pages, WooCommerce products, or custom post types accordingly. Now, map your CSV file's headers to the corresponding WordPress fields. The plugin automatically maps them if the headers match. You can also manually adjust the mappings if needed. You can also use the drag and drop mode for better control. Once everything is set, save the mapping and click Continue to proceed. In the Import Configuration section, enable the setting, Do you want adaptive file processing of record? This activates iteration-based import. Now, enter the number of records per batch in the field, Iterative, piece-by-piece processing. In each iteration, how many records need to process? If your dataset has 1,000 records or fewer, set a batch size of up to 10. For larger datasets, increase the batch size to 25, 50, or more, depending on server capacity. In our case, since we have 300 records, setting the batch size to 10 will process the data in 30 cycles. Click Import to begin. The importer will now process your file in batches, ensuring a stable and efficient import. You can monitor the progress as the system imports records and iterations. Once the process is complete, your blog posts will be successfully added to WordPress. That wraps up our tutorial on iteration-based import processing. With this method, you no longer have to worry about timeouts or failed imports. Your data gets processed efficiently, no matter the size. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.